This video is to show you how to install an SSL certificate on your website if you're hosting at managed.com. So for this example, I'm using dnnacademy.org, and as you can see, this site is not secured. So we're going to head over to Plesk on the web server, and the first thing we need to do is in the host settings we need to activate the support for SSL. Later on we will be concentrating on this one and this one, but first let's create a certificate, because when we have flagged this, we get another option, and this option is here. It's Let's Encrypt. So Let's Encrypt is free of charge. It is auto-renewed. So I'm just going to flag include www and install the certificate. So it's now mentioned that the certificate has been installed on this domain, and I'm going to make sure now that every visitor will get the SSL version of the website. I've indicated that it should include www, and I'm going to redirect all non-www traffic to the one with the www to prevent duplicate content for the Google search engine, and I'm going to force every visitor to go to the secured version of the website. When you do so, make sure that you have your www site alias active in your DNN install, otherwise it will not populate. So it says now that the settings were updated, and we're going to verify this by going to the website. And as you can see, it is now provided with a certificate, and we can see that it will be valid for 3 months, and this will auto renew every month. So that's how easy it is, and enjoy.